In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check revenue on Acuity in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned professional using Acuity scheduling for your business appointments or someone who's just getting started, understanding how to navigate through its features to check your earnings is crucial. So let's dive right in and make this task as smooth as possible. Firstly, we begin our journey by navigating to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all your scheduling magic happens, and where we'll start our process to check your revenue. Once you've arrived at the site, your next step is to log in to your account. Look for the login button typically located at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway into your personal Acuity world. Once you click on login, the site will prompt you to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the email address associated with your Acuity account. It's the key to unlocking your scheduling information, so accuracy here is paramount. After entering your email, you'll proceed by clicking on Next. This takes you one step closer to accessing your account and ultimately to the information you're seeking. Now here's where it can get a bit specific, depending on how you've set up your Acuity account. If you've linked your account to Google for an easier sign-in process, you'll click on Continue with Google. A list of your Google accounts will appear if you're not already signed into one. Select the Google account tied to your Acuity account. This seamless integration between Google and Acuity not only simplifies the login process, but enhances security as well. Moving forward, after successfully logging in, you'll navigate to the heart of our today's journey, checking your revenue. To do this, you're looking for the Reports section. You might be tempted to look through other sections, but the Reports area is where Acuity neatly organizes your financial and appointment data. Keep an eye out for a direct link or a navigation bar option that takes you there. Once in Reports, you'll be greeted with various data and options to explore. Your next objective is to dive specifically into your earnings by clicking on Revenue. This section is dedicated to providing you with an overview and detailed breakdowns of your income through appointments scheduled via Acuity. The revenue page offers a wealth of information, presenting data in an easy-to-understand format. Here you can track how your business is performing financially with Acuity, assess trends, and make informed decisions based on your earnings over different periods. This is essentially the process through which you can check your revenue on Acuity. While it's a straightforward procedure, understanding the nuances of navigating through Acuity's interface and where exactly to find the information you need is key. Now allow me to share a couple of additional tips to enhance your experience with Acuity's revenue section. First, make sure you're familiar with the date range options within the revenue page. Acuity allows you to filter your earnings data by specific periods, which can be extremely helpful for tracking your business performance over time. Secondly, don't shy away from exploring the export options. Acuity provides functionalities to export your revenue data, which can be particularly useful for record keeping, or if you need to share this information with a team member or for accounting purposes. And that's how you check your revenue on Acuity in a nutshell. Whether you're in the business of consultations, classes, or managing a variety of services, having a clear understanding of your financial performance is crucial. By following these steps, not only can you keep a close eye on your financial health directly through Acuity, but you can also leverage its insights to make strategic decisions for your business's future. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process, and you feel more comfortable navigating Acuity to check your revenue. Remember, each click brings you closer to a deeper understanding of your business and its achievements. Happy scheduling, and here's to your continued success.